Maybe we could try it together. What was the question? We have an equilateral triangle, yeah? Was that so? We got an equilateral triangle, and we have like a median, like this, right? Like that.
Yeah.
And then we take the midpoint of this, and then we move this at the same speed as that. Is that right? Yeah. Wait, could you prove it's not a triangle?
Oh.
Because I think what I got up to last time was I got something like, because if it's here, right? If it's here, then this thing will be like here, a quarter of the way, yeah?
The thing will pass the middle point 3 times.
The points where it's like in the triangle first.
Oh, what triangle points? The vertices of the triangle.
Yeah.
Have cookie 啊！来，不要拿来这里了。
Like if you do the quarter of the way, right? You get this triangle, yeah? Huh? The question is it that triangle or is it not that triangle? So like this point here corresponds to like these 2 points, yeah?
Well, I've got 3 more points that are on that triangle.
Yeah.
The midpoint thing. That's like here, right? Yeah, so we got 6 points on that triangle.
That triangle's like one of
Yeah, what's the area of that triangle, you know? So I think if it was just that triangle, I think it's 1/16, right? So the question is it just that triangle? So maybe in a 3-minute contest, you would just guess yes and move on. Wait, is USAMC, do they still punish you for wrong answers?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I remember there was
You will
like...
get 0 points if you get the wrong answer. And if you don't answer, you will get 1.5.
Yeah, I remember there were people making like they were making AI me from just leaving out questions. Yeah, so I guess my question is...
Where did they get a point?
Huh?
Where did they get
It's because it's to discourage guessing. It's like a risk. So then like the EV is still 0. It should still be like 0 or negative. If you get positive EV for guessing, you just like... You would always guess. If you didn't... And then I guess there are people who are still guessing anyway, and that's to punish them for being bad at maths.
But actually, if you are 50-50, you could just...
It's still worth it to guess at 50-50, yeah. Alright, so the question is, where are all the other points? Are they on the triangle or not? So Gregory suggests the
Wait.
chord back. Is that what you suggest?
Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. If it's like this,
Yeah. What do you mean? That's like the centroid or whatever. What's your
because
point?
like if the starting point is here.
No, the midpoint's not there though.
Yeah,
What?
that's like your
The midpoint is where the red dot is.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh yeah 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 yeah.
这锅还没用，已经撞坏了。
I always forgot. I always forgot this. And actually, I called bash it just now, and I didn't solve it. Do you wanna try call bashing it now?
你看不见，先刮了，又刮了，但是用。
So better. Better. Should we use GeoGebra? No. And oh no. And oh no.
I guess one thing that's kind of interesting is it's supposed to like when it moves from here, right? Like from here to here, yeah. It's meant to move from like here to there. Is that
Where's
true?
where? That is not true. And that's true. That's not true.
It doesn't seem like it should be true. Right, because like if you think about it, this point here and this point here, they have like when this point moves from here to there, right? The y value doesn't change at all. Right? And then here the y value goes down, yeah? So then the average of the y values should go down. So like does that make sense? So like at this point here, like the y value at least should be lower than here. But then is the y value the same here? What happened? Wait, does that triangle not look right? There's something up with that, right?
It's either a circle or a triangle.
But I think something I've drawn here is wrong because the y value should not be constant.
Yeah, but then it's like a circle.
circle and
Exactly.
Really? Hmm. Yeah, why would it be a circle though? Because like if the y value decreases at a constant rate, right? And the other one increases at a constant rate, the average should also change at a constant rate, yeah? Yes?
Yeah.
And the same for the x values, right?
Yeah.
So that should be like a straight line,
Yeah.
yeah? I feel like I'm drawing it not good. I'll draw it again. Hmm. Hmm.
Gosh.
那要什么合适呀？
对啊，
还去那里吗？
它只是一只撒娇，它的结构。
对。
Oh, so it's like no, this kind of makes it much clearer. There's a dot there. There's a dot like here. A dot here. Yeah, I had it wrong before. I had it flat at the top. It's actually like this. Like that. So when this goes from this to here, this goes to here, and that goes to here. Huh? What does that mean?
Take the midpoint.
Oh, you mean like here? Here?
Where does that lie?
I mean, it should lie on the midpoint, right? Yeah, I think there's some kind of, you can kind of, it basically is chord fact, right? Like basically this thing here, like the y value doesn't change here, right?
No.
So the y value of this thing is just constantly going, it's just this one over 2, right? That's why it only gets up to here, I guess. And then the x value is also doing that, but
Something looks wrong.
looks wrong.
Yeah, like. Look at the triangles, the lengths.
What about them?
Oh, wait, no.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, you could have coordinates for this. This is like, what is this? Like half 0 or something. It's like half 0. And the other one's like negative a quarter. The other one's like negative a quarter. You know, whatever the height is. You have like 1, 2, 3.5, 3.5 heights. Okay. So 3.5 heights. Um, 3.5 heights. So if you average them, right, the midpoint should be a quarter. Wait, what? Yeah, an eighth, right? An eighth. And then it's like 1.1 and 3/4. One is 1.75 heights. Yeah. And here, this is half, and halfway is a quarter, so that's an eighth, right?
Yeah.
And then heights is like 1.5 and 3/4 height. Yeah. So that's right. Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
like 1.
So yeah, it just keeps moving along then. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then it's like you get the next bit here,
16.
this bit here, right? And that'll do that.
Just 116.
Yeah.
Don't answer.
Yeah. But the crazy thing is, that's the one you would have done if you had no idea. Like,
This is like, if you're doing this exam, you almost certainly have a sweet fake solve it.
uh,
Like,
it's too strong.
I don't know. it feels like once you get all those 6 points, the chance it's not that, given that all the other answers.
It's only 25 questions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, question 22 is like, it's literally like the 1% mark.
Yeah.
Like you don't even need. You don't necessarily even need 22 questions to qualify for AI. I mean,
Like
Yeah.
19,
But
18,
the thing,
16 or 15.
I'm going to do this for the sign me up, sort that out.
huh?
I want to look at and see. What matters isn't AI being cut off, because that's like 100 or 90 something.
Yeah, it's UISAMO,
Yes.
which counts the AMC.
Yeah. That's usually like, although
It's
the
like
stuff
200.
I've heard, USAMO and AMC selection are like now completely stuck
Hmm.
with cheaters.
Oh. Ah. Yeah, so actually it's weird because we're trying to make sure it's 1 on 16, but like it didn't make a difference. It almost felt like it didn't make a difference, but it does, okay? So this way of doing it, hopefully you'll be able to see it's 1 on 16 in the exam, you know?
Yeah.
Whereas I think you'll get 1 in 16 by just guessing it. That's not the way you should do it, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, any questions about that?
I hate that.
Yeah, I think the coordinate argument really works, yeah?
Alan, your guess of E was incorrect.
No, he guessed this one.
Oh. Your guess of A was correct.